Introducing Rangon creeper, Combretum indicum of the family Combretaceae. Rangon creeper is a vigorous climbing lignous vine that can reach from 2.5 meters to up to 8 meters. The leaves are simple, elliptical in outline, acuminate at the tip, and rounded at the base. They are 7 to 12 centimeters long and are arranged oppositely. The flowers are tubular, consisting of oblong petals 6 to 8 millimeters long. They are fragrant and have long receptacles to adapt to pollinators with long tongues. Aside from its ornamental use in gardens and parks, Rangon creeper exhibits various activities including anti-inflammatory, antipyretic, immunomodulatory, anti-staphylococcal, anthelmintic, and antiseptic activities.